Singing, take me home tonight. I need you in my arms to wake up and feel alive. Sweet Arizona, yeah, I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough, no, I just can't get enough of you. Sweet Arizona.
Guys, I'm at Victoria's Secret / the mall with Jackson and my mom. And I'm trying to like secretly vlog because it's like really awkward and there's people looking at me, so we're just walking around. I have to get Katie a good birthday present, so we're just gonna look around, go to Bath and Body Works and stuff, and kind of just go shop around the mall. Yeah, so you get to see a collage of Jackson walking around. So are those a yes?
It's just too cheap. $15 for a whole set.
Mom, say hi.
Who's that for?
You too?
Hi.
Want to show off your clothes?
Hi.
You want to show the shirt?
And my
You're gonna do a little haul. That's cute. Do your pants.
And my shirt.
Those are the back. There you go. Cute. And you look cute.
Oh, hey.
Yeah.
Do you want to get her one here instead?
I was looking at it.
Victoria's Secret bag.
Back. Well, I was looking at. Look at these. It's a freaking donut loofah. Scrunchy thing. I don't know what it is, but it's cute.
Today's $25. Mists and body care. She would really rather have some of this stuff.
I was gonna look at smells. She doesn't really wear lotion. She doesn't really wear perfume either, though.
What do you want to get her?
I really have no idea. I was gonna get her like a bath bomb or two.
You want to get her a pink sweatshirt?
Let's see what she's a little
$25?
25?
All these are.
Yep.
Yeah, we're just looking for a gift for somebody now. Thank you.
These sweatshirts over here.
Any one of them, they're all $24.95 or whatever.
So tiny.
Spend 20-ish bucks on her anyways.
Sit.
And this will come in an already cool bag.
Sit. What one would she wear? She'd probably just...
What?
Probably wear this one. Or that one. She'd probably wear that one. Her favorite color is army green and like a weird blue.
Like that weird blue? She don't like black? Or pink?
Oh, no, she hates pink.
Or not burgundy. There's plenty of hoodies right there.
She might like burgundy. Jackson, nice. Thank you. Stuck. What size is that? It's an extra small. It's cute.
That's cute.
I think she'd like this one.
I like that one.
Let's get her that.
You want to get her that for birthday?
Yeah. And then we'll just need like a bow and stuff.
Early this morning, woke up holding my head, hearing my heartbeat all night long. Shades of this motel keeping me in bed, reading the news, just trying to stay strong. I need to just get up, take a deep breath, keep it together, 'cause it's a beautiful day. Sun on my face, feeling okay. Don't let it get away. It's a beautiful day. Feel so proud, screaming out loud. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. I used to feel sad, now I'm sad peace of mind. The words of my mother speak the truth. She always said, son, you'll make it through. I need to just get up, take a deep breath, keep it together, 'cause it's a beautiful day. Sun on my face, feeling okay. Don't let it get away. It's a beautiful day. Feel so proud, screaming out loud. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. I won't ever let it go. I won't let it get away. I won't ever let it go. I won't ever let it go. I won't let it get away. I won't ever let it go. It's a beautiful day.
Or we can give her a gift receipt and she can exchange it for whatever she wants.
Maybe we should go with a gift card so she can get what she wants.
Okay, like a $25 gift card?
Okay, so it's gonna go back on.
Want me to go put that back?
They can put it back. Pick out the card then.
Here. That's cute.
How much is that one?
Does it have prices on it? Just put
So we must just put the money on here. $15 for a little set.
She's not into scented stuff.
Sure.
Yeah.
She's just rather good at that.
Yeah. Where she can get what she wants.
Wait, that's when it was me and Tristan that we got there here.
No. Where was that? Here. She knows.
And then get that price for it if she wanted a different color or anything.
Jaxon. Hi, baby.
Okay, I don't remember where the Cafe Elite store is. There was opening up here.
Oh yeah, I forgot there was one opening.
So we'll probably have to find that.
Want me to Google it?
It's the only way I'm not going to be able to find it by myself.
Okay, so we just drove back into town and my mom went into the store to go get something. But Jaxon did phenomenal we went both to a gas station and we went to the mall. We went to Victoria's Secret and shopped around and I got Katie her gift. I just got her a gift card because... but I got her a gift card. And there's Jaxon back there. Hey baby! Hi there, cutie! Rocking off his freaking amazing... Oh, I can't zoom in. Okay. But he's rocking his vest. His mesh vest. And also, I have an announcement. Kind of. Not really an announcement, but I have a gear set. I ordered my first set for him. And it's a cape, harness, pull strap, and bandana, I think. So it's 4 things. I bought it for a really great price from a shop called Mountain Malamute here or something like that. It will be linked, not linked, but it's gonna be like right here somewhere. Go check them out if you make very low money or you don't make very low money. Either way, they have really high they have really high quality gear and they have really low prices, and they help out handlers that are having money struggles and they donate stuff, and just go check them out because they have really great deals and all kinds of stuff. So check them out, and I think I'm gonna go home and probably be done vlogging. I mean, this was a short little vlog. Okay. I just drove home. Here's a wheel. Anyways. So yeah, I think we're gonna go home, and I'm probably gonna watch Jaxon, and here comes my mom, and I'm recording, so this is weird. Okay, bye!
Make me yours.